The outrage lines are found in SASSE Library Effects Reactions. We can drag and drop those into our scene. And if we hit play, we can see their built-in animation. We also have the option to align it to the camera. So once again, we can navigate our camera around anywhere, and these will stay aligned like a billboard orientation. We can change the number of points, though only certain numbers will have that symmetrical effect with a big line on each end. Change the radius of the circle that they're instanced around, and change the length or the width. The subdivisions will work hand in hand with these next few. So displacement, we can turn that up, and the number of subdivisions we have controls, how displaced those get. So if we have a lot of geometry to work with, it can start to look more like one of those, like a spider sense type of effect. We can turn the speed up or down and make any changes to this that we like. And that is the outrage lines.